Today's video deals with water therapy for dogs. In October of 2010, Cindy's dog Rush had a severe sprain of both ligaments in his left hock. This resulted in him having to wear a custom-made brace for 18 weeks. Now, the physical therapy to come back from an injury like this type needs to be under the supervision of an experienced canine sports medicine vet. We were lucky. We live within an hour and 15 minutes of Dr. Tomlinson in Burnsville, Minnesota. Her specialty is rehabilitation for dogs. The name of her practice is Twin Cities Animal Rehab Clinic. Knock on wood, she's done wonders for Rush. For those that would like a little more information on Dr. Tomlinson's practice, you can go to her website. Dr. Tomlinson structured a week-by-week exercise program for Rush, which included sprints, low jumps, walking backwards, upstairs, and water therapy. Dr. Tomlinson has an underwater treadmill at her facility, but because we live so far away, she was kind enough to write a detailed protocol for us to use at our local agility complex that's owned by Ann Brow in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Cindy already takes agility lessons at Ann's facility, so this worked out perfectly for her and Rush. If you're interested in learning more about water therapy, find a qualified rehab vet. Not all vets understand this work. It needs to be a rehab vet. And then start your research there. The first time or two can be a little stressful on dogs. In our case, Rush is walking at 1 mile an hour, and they only put enough water to come up to just below the underside of his belly. So the water therapy in and of itself is not a swimming pool. It's more of a walk in water, which is really what you see a lot of elderly people do when they go to swimming pools. But this really helps an injured dog. But again, it needs to be supervised and it needs to have the correct protocol. This is Rush's second or third time at water therapy. And as I said, it takes a while for a dog to get used to doing this and not stress out over it. After they do it, they're tired.
What's the deepest you'll put a dog in? I mean, from not that.
We won't include the entire therapy session here, but Dr. Tomlinson prescribed walking at 1 mile an hour for 13 minutes. And that was based on where Rush's rehab is at the moment. Now, the temperature of the water is kept at 86 degrees. I have no idea what one of these water therapy machines costs, but my guess is well over $20,000.
Electricity, you have to have electricians come out and maintenance, so.
It's like our swimming pool.
Yeah. Kinda. Yeah, his vet wants his water lower because she wants him to bear weight at the same time. Yep. Because when it's higher up, they have more buoyancy, so they don't have to support themselves. No. Put him on a harness and pull him. Good. That's good. Very good job. No. Good. Good. That's a good job. Good job.
In next Monday's newsletter, we will show you a little bit about the work that Cindy's doing with Rush and Ann Brow's trainer here at the Agility Complex.
I'm not 100% sure what these things are for, but this keeps them off. It's okay. It's a way to adjust the incline of the.
So you can have them go uphill.
Yeah. So.